One of the most common questions I get is, why doesn't my computer have a CD drive? The good news is there's nothing wrong with your computer. In fact, most laptops today don't include a CD or DVD drive anymore, and in most cases you won't need one. In this video, I'll show you how software is installed, what to do if you still have an old software disk, and how to make sure you're downloading programs safely. Welcome to A Better Tech. Thanks for sharing your time with me. Let's get your software installed. Years ago, almost every computer came with a CD drive. Software was sold in boxes, and installing a program usually meant inserting a disk and following a setup wizard. Today, things work differently. Manufacturers have made laptops thinner, lighter, and more portable. Since most software is now downloaded over the internet, there simply isn't much need for an internal disk drive anymore. This also means software companies can release updates faster, fix bugs easier, and deliver new features without sending you a new disk. Today, if you need a new program, the first place you should go is the software company's official website. If you need Microsoft Office, simply visit Microsoft's website, sign into your Microsoft account if you have one, and download the installer. For Adobe Reader, it's the same idea. Visit Adobe's website and download it directly. Even a video game is now downloaded from the software creator. Another place you can safely get software is the Microsoft Store that's already built into Windows. Here you'll find thousands of trusted apps that can be installed with just a few clicks. Whether it's Spotify, WhatsApp, or other popular programs, the Microsoft Store is a convenient and safe option. Now, if you already have software that came on a CD, before you buy anything, visit the software company's website. Many companies allow you to download the latest version of their software after signing into your account or entering your product key. Even if you originally bought the software on a disk, you may not actually need that disk anymore. This is true of many commercial applications. If the software absolutely requires the original disk, don't worry. You can purchase an external drive that plugs directly into your laptop. They're easy to use, don't require much setup, and they're usually pretty affordable. For most people, this is all they'll ever need if they occasionally have to use an older software disk. I'm also asked about printer drivers. The solution is the same here. Instead of using the CD, visit the printer manufacturer's website. Search for your printer model, download the latest driver, and install it. In many cases, Windows will even detect your printer automatically and install the correct driver for you. Before I finish, you should understand one important thing. Always download software from the company's official website whenever possible. Avoid random download websites that promise free copies or special versions of popular programs. Some of those sites bundle unwanted software or even malware that can cause problems later. Downloading directly from the developer helps make sure you're getting the latest version and keeps your computer safe. So if your computer doesn't have a CD drive, this doesn't mean you can't install software. Computers without CD drives are completely normal today. Most software is now downloaded directly from the developer's website or installed through the Microsoft Store. And if you still have an older program on a CD, an inexpensive USB drive can usually solve the problem. Technology has changed a lot, but once you know how software is distributed nowadays, installing new programs is actually easier than it used to be. Let me know in the comments what software you still have on CD. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you check out my other videos or my website for more tech tips designed to make technology easier to understand. Make sure you like and subscribe or I'll steal your RAM. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.